In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reorder questions in Airtable forms, so you can present your fields in the perfect sequence for your respondents. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. This is one of those small adjustments that makes a big difference in how professional and easy to follow your form feels. First things first, open up your browser and head over to Airtable. If you're not already signed in, you'll want to click Login and enter your credentials. Once you're in, open the base that contains the form you'd like to work on. Inside that base, look toward the top of the screen and click on the Forms tab. This will bring up a list of all the forms associated with your base. Go ahead and click on the specific form you want to edit. Now you'll see all your questions laid out in the form editor. To get started rearranging them, locate the question you want to move. Each question has a small drag handle on its left side. It usually looks like a grid of 6 dots. Click and hold that drag handle with your mouse or trackpad. While holding, drag the question up or down to its new position. You'll see a visual indicator showing you exactly where it will land. Once you're happy with the spot, simply release the question. It snaps right into place. Repeat this process for any other questions you want to reorder, moving them one by one until the entire set feels logical and intuitive. Reordering questions helps create a smoother experience for your respondents and ensures information is collected in a natural, logical order. Once you've finished rearranging, take a moment to review the form on the editing screen to make sure everything is in the correct sequence. Then, click the Preview button to test the form from your respondent's perspective. This lets you see exactly how the new flow feels and confirm that nothing is out of place. If your form requires saving, make sure to save your changes before closing. Though Airtable often saves automatically, it's always good to double-check. That wraps it up. You now know exactly how to reorder questions in Airtable forms. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.